Hello, my name is Luis. I am talking about my routine these days and right now. These days I am waking up at 5 a.m. I am taking a shower and making my breakfast. At 6 a.m. I am walking to the bus stop and waiting for the company bus. At 8 a.m. I am working in a plastic production company. I am checking my tasks and working every day. In the afternoon, I am going to the bus stop at 6 p.m. No? I'm taking the company bus to the university. I study business administration at UPN. I am doing homework and working on presentations. Right now, I am studying and learning new things. After class, I am talking at taxi and going home.